Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to implement face recognition using LBPH, local binary pattern histogram, which stands, this method is simple yet powerful for recognizing faces. Let's get started. So first we need to load the data set since it is in Google Drive. Uh, then I will be mounting here in the Google Colab. I have extracted that from the zip file. As you can see, we got the both the test and train images. Each subject denotes to the person. Subject one denotes to the subject, person one, with having glasses, left light, right light. I will be showing you here. Yeah. As you can see, each subject has 10 images, like 8 to 10 images. We have total 15 subjects, 15 people's images, uh, in the train folder. Then I have loaded the images, converting them to grayscale and store them with the labels. Each file have a subject ID which we extract to use as a label. Then I have the you know trained and saved the model by using this LPPH classifier, local binary pattern histogram. Yeah, next, yeah, and we got classifier here like YML file. Then I have used for the model, like, to predict the images for the test images. So this script is nothing but it loads the model, then process the grayscale test images by predicting the labels. Each images is annotated with the predicted and expected output by using OpenCV and Matplotlib. So as you can see here, this was the actual subject number, person 5. It has been predicted person 5, the model. And for 12 it has been predicted 12, for 6 it has been predicted 14. For some images it was not predicted correctly, like it has been given incorrect answer, prediction was wrong. So yeah, so I calculated the accuracy and plotted the confusion matrix here, and we got 70% of accuracy for the test images, for the model accuracy. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.